Hello, Jebende here. In today's video I have a safe deposit lock by Robur. In the locksport it's often called the Mini 6K because it is kind of like a smaller version of the ASA Twin 6000. Inside we have 5 pins in the main stacks and the sidebar that is locked by 4 side pins. On the key we can see the beading. Here we have beading for the side pins. This lock comes in 2 versions, as do most of the ASA Twin series locks, including in the main stack are ASA barrels and counter milling in each keeping chamber. The other version in this lock that has gin spools and undercut in each keeping chamber. Okay, so we will see the guts for a moment. For picking this lock I will use that custom pick, this flag for the side pins and some tensioner. Okay, let's see the guts. Alright, here you see all the guts of the Robur Safe Deposit Lock. Let's start with the driver pins. As you can see in chambers 1, 2 and 5th we have ASA barrels. Which work perfectly together with the counter milling on each keeping chambers. When going through the counter milling, you must remember not to lift any barrel unless the barrel is binding. In this lock it is very easy to see if the barrel is already in the shear line. If it does not give counter rotation to the car, then it is already set. Key pins are standard, and in chambers 3rd and 4th we have these small wafers, just standard pins. Okay, now let's take a look to the sidebar and side pins. Here we have groove for the side pins. As you can see, 4 chambers, groove for the sidebar, not side pins. Here we have chambers for the side pins. Side pins look the same. They have 4 false gates and true gate in the middle, which hides the sidebar tab. Which is positioned differently for each side pin. Here you can see these sidebar tabs, and in this position side pin is set. So here we have this one like that, and like that. Right. In the housing, nothing unusual. Here we have sidebar groove, yeah, that will be all from the internals. Let's pick this lock. Alright, so we have our lock is working. So let's pick Let's start from the main stacks. Number 1, 3, and 4. Number 5. Number 1. Number 2. Okay, that is number 5. Let's check. Okay. If we don't have any counter rotation on these barrels, that means they are picked. And now side pins. Number 3. Number 1 was dropped. Okay, and we have an open. These side pins in clockwise direction are a bit tricky. So let's get. Let's remove sidebar, springs, key pins, okay, here we can see counter milling, and now side pins. Okay, and numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and barrel from the 5th chamber. Now springs. Okay. So that was a Robur Safe Deposit Lock with ASA barrels. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and be good. Cheers.